Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1926th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. This video coming at you on a Monday night for trading on Tuesday. That is April 16th, 2019. As we know, futures trading, stock trading, ETF trading, any type of trading these days is extremely risky, can and does in many cases cause financial loss, major, so be careful. It is not suitable for all of us kids. If you don't know what you're doing, don't play futures. If you do not have money to lose, don't trade futures. If, however, you do play stops, you do know the risks, and you do have some money to play with, then I don't think we're going to lose. And welcome to my latest video. So what should happen for trading on Tuesday the 16th? Well, traders, I have to say, the phenomenon, Oscarism known as holiday reversals, I got a reversal signal from Russell 2000 and from NASDAQ this afternoon. Now, I have to be honest, I was bullish. I thought we were going to go up the entire week and just skip the holiday reversals. But if you have been following these videos since 2007 when I started producing them, really 2006, you will note that I have mentioned holiday reversals around almost every major holiday for the past 13 years. And in many, many cases, we get that reversal. So what does that mean? The market has been going up for quite some time, as you can see clearly demonstrated and illustrated by this. So we've been in the bull market. Usually the reversal starts a down move for a couple of days. There's day one. Monday, day one. So it went right down and filled the gap, by the way, traders. The high of this day was 10,803.07 in the transportation average. The low of Monday was 10,807.98. Not much of a difference there. It's not completely filled, but visibly, it looks filled. Visibly, it looks filled. Can't say mathematically it's filled, but to the eye, that did fill the gap. Doesn't mean it won't have another down day, because we're now getting the holiday reversal signal. But I will say, traders, I am caught by surprise. I thought we were going to go straight up this week like a Christmas week. You know the week leading into Christmas and New Year's, how it goes straight up? My analysis over the weekend had this week pegged for straight up all week. We have a Monday. Monday, luckily, thank you, Omni, we were able to make a few bucks in the NASDAQ market and jump out of the Russell 2000. Couple of tick loss there maybe, but overall we made a few bucks today. Not much, but just a few bucks on Monday. For Tuesday, we are going to start off with selling a rally and trying to catch the holiday reversal. Now, I will tell you, make sure when you sell this rally, stops are in. I do not interfere with the Omni, but if this were my call out of my own brain, I wouldn't be calling the downside right now. In Omni, I trust, right? We live by the Omni sword, we die by the Omni sword. That we know. The Omni's pointing towards a reversal in Russell and NASDAQ to the downside. I've got to go with it, but the stop will be in. Do not trade without a stop on this one tomorrow. But if you do believe in the holiday reversals, I wanted to do this video just to inform you that I'm starting to get holiday reversal signals in NASDAQ and Russell 2000 so far. I haven't seen it in the emini S&P or the Dow, but I do see it in the Russell, the NASDAQ, and of course in the transportation average. So those are the ones that right now are pointing towards the phenomenon of holiday reversal. The other ones haven't caught up with it yet. Maybe they will, or the holiday reversal doesn't come and the NASDAQ goes up. But I'm going to bet on the holiday reversal, kids. I'll tell you that right now. I am going to bet that we get the holiday reversal. Why? Because I don't fade the Omni. Otherwise, I'd be looking for some upside. Omni says holiday reversal is coming. Let's find out if that is going to be the case. All right, traders, you will find me at livewithoscar.com. I will be here for the rest of the week, although trading will absolutely taper off because we have a major, major holiday coming at us this week. The United States markets are closed in observation of Good Friday, this Friday, and then for Easter. Then on Monday, it's called Easter Monday in Europe, and the markets are closed again in Europe. So we are going to taper our trading towards the end of this week and wait for the Europeans to come back. But I will be here for the rest of the week to help you get through these rough and tumble markets. So here we are. It's only Monday night for Tuesday. We are starting to get some fluttering of holiday reversal signals in NASDAQ and RTY, the Russell. We'll see if that's going to materialize. Stops will be in. I will meet you all at livewithoscar.com. And remember, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do for me to help keep my emotions in check is please like, comment, and share these videos. In fact, right before I finish this, a couple of comments I had on my last few videos, and traders are saying, Oscar, your video, you're coming out and pointing with an arrow up. At the end of the day, the market's lower. Are you wrong? Well, sure, the arrow turns out to be wrong by the time the day is over. But what we're not getting lately is we are not getting one directional days. We are getting days where the market runs up and it runs down, it runs up and it runs down. So when we get into a trade, you know, we don't sit in the trade like lobotomized lemmings. We get out of the trade. The market goes up, we get out if we're long. If it goes down and we're short, we get out. We don't just sit with the trade. So we're not getting one directional day. So the Omni comes out and says, all right, we're buyers of dips. The market might move higher after we buy it. We get out, we're done with the day. And the market drops lower, so be it. That's part of trading, as long as we hit and run. But lately, why? It's hard to tell if you're only watching the videos. If we're able to make any money with these arrows, is because we are not getting one directional days. I mean, that's been a serious problem for us lately, right? You see what happens, it runs up, it looks really promising. All of a sudden, at the end of the day, it's on the lows. Crazy markets lately. But that doesn't fool the Omni. You've just got to be quick to take your profits, which is why we have used the Jack Dempsey style. We've been using the Jack Dempsey style of trading for several weeks now, and it helps us major league on the days where the market is not cooperating with the Omni. Jack Dempsey means hit, run, go stand in your corner, and shut up and wait for the next round. No more. You don't throw a bunch of punches when you're Jack Dempsey. You hit them and you run away. That's what we have been doing. It's been working well. Join me at livewithoscar.com. And remember, keep those emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do to help keep those emotions at bay, and I know it's not easy, but try this. Say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll traders, I will see you all in my trading room at livewithoscar.com.